In this video, I'll explain how to withdraw money from GoCrypto. Many people get confused, but it's simple once you understand the app. GoCrypto is a trading simulator that lets you practice buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin without using real money. Any balance you see, like 5,000, is fully virtual. You can trade and grow your portfolio in the app, but it's all simulated. The app is meant as a learning tool, not a real exchange, helping you practice crypto trading safely. Any profits earned in GoCrypto are not real and cannot be transferred to your bank or wallet. In short, GoCrypto is excellent for learning crypto trading, but all balances and profits are virtual and cannot be cashed out. GoCrypto pricing is structured into 3 tiers: a free basic plan for beginners, a $9.99 per month Academy Pro plan for active learners, and a $19.99 per month Legend plan for advanced features. This setup makes it easy for users to upgrade their tools as they gain experience and develop professional trading skills. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.